eggs, cheese, put it on top. Look at that. Today I'm going to show you how to make a kale and cheese omelette. All right, it's really good, very healthy, good fiber, good cheese, good eggs, absolute. So right here I have 3 eggs right here. I have a pan that's heating up, and then I also have Kirkland's signature Parmigiano Reggiano, whatever that means. Aged over 24 months. So we're dealing with some old cheese. All right, and this right here is the waste from juicing. I just made some kale juice and some kale is left over in there. Pan's getting too hot. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this kale to make my kale and cheese omelet. I know a lot of you are out there saying, kale no. And I'm like, kale yeah. All right, so I'm gonna use this. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the pan right here. I have Chosen Foods 100% avocado oil spray, naturally refined, neutral taste, high smoke point. I'm gonna need it because I heated the pan up too hot. But before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and mixerate my eggs. Beat it like MJ. All right, and then I'm just gonna spray the pan, avocado oil, and then I'm gonna put the egg in the pan. Absolutely. And this is starting to fry-tate, okay? You can see how it's fry-tating. It's fry-tating rather fast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smooch, scooch, stooch, slide, glide the egg, allowing the running part to drip onto the side. And so it's right here, and it's fry-tating. And at this point right here, if you want to add a little bit of salt and pepper, you can go ahead and push it real good on top of the egg, like so or so. And I turned it down because it was really hot to begin with, and it didn't need all that heat. I don't know where my salt is, but I'm just gonna go without salt for this right here. So it's fry-tating on the bottom. And what I'm gonna do is to show you something I learned in chef school. I'm gonna flip the egg, just like that. And that's called flipping the egg. Chef terminology. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this Parmigiano cheese and just put it on top of the egg right here. So once it's on the egg like that, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this kale that I used to make kale juice. I'm gonna put it on the top right here. And this is gonna add a lot of fiber and nutrients to the omelette. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right there. Then egg is cooked. I'm gonna turn the temperature to 11, then I'm gonna turn it off, just to get a little bit of heateration going on in there. A little egg stuck on the spatula. All right, so it's hot. You can see it's getting red down there. I'm gonna turn this off, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the egg, and I'm gonna fold it one time like this. On top, the cheese is melterating. And then I'm gonna roll it like a swisher. Use some of my chef abilities to roll it. Look at that. Roll it like a Philly. Look at that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make it kale and cheese omelet. Only thing I can say about this is absolutely